Hello, my foodie friends. Happy Thursday. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. I just had a great surprise in the mail today. I was the winner of a giveaway from my friend Christina at Carismas Extras. Now, she's a new cooking channel. She makes wonderful stuff. And I won this awesome pasta maker, you guys. I have been wanting one of these for years, but I've never gotten one. And today I did, and it's my favorite color. Well, one of my favorite colors, red. And you guys, this thing is heavy duty. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? I cannot wait to use this and make you guys something. See, it comes with like the little crank you attach to it. And then it has this little vise thing that you attach to the table. And thank goodness it comes with an instruction book, because me and things like this do not mesh well. I have to read all the instructions. But I'm super excited, you guys. So I want you to head on over to her channel, and I'm going to post it in the link below. And tell her that Karen sent you, because let's try to get her to 100 subscribers. She's doing a great job, and I know she could really use the support from some of my subscribers. So stay tuned, guys, because I am going to be making something delicious with this pasta maker. I'm thinking maybe some fettuccine with homemade pesto. I don't know. I'll think of something great. Okay, hope everyone has a great day today. Bye, everybody.